FTZ is already Denmark's first choice distributor for car repair shops. It has an even bigger goal: to become Europe's leading e-commerce and partner portal in the automotive industry. But automotive is changing. Electric cars, better parts reliability, more competition, and rising customer expectations threatens FTZ's expansion plans. To achieve its goal, FTZ realised it needed to change the way it served customers. With 90% of its sales taking place online, FTZ's website was the obvious place to start. Together with Impact, they overhauled the outdated legacy commerce platform to give their customers what they really want. Car workshops wanted an easier, faster and more accessible way to make their purchases online. How do we know? Because FTZ's customers came on the reinvention journey with us. Their feedback, preferences and needs are baked into every feature of the new platform. The result? A genuinely customer-centric solution that supports the everyday life of running a car repair shop. Today and tomorrow. Access the site on any device, anywhere. Search for car parts the way they like best, visually, with drill-down car pictograms. Buy workshop extras and add-ons at the same time they buy parts. Results? More wallet share, 89% of sales are digital, plus 2 million Danish kroner. High uptake, plus 50% adoption of new platform in just 2 months. Enhanced web performance was up 50% faster performance for the customers. Extra reliability, plus 99.9% website uptime and availability. Customer data insights integrated into the website and commerce workflows. FTZ is now one step closer to becoming Europe's leading distributor of automotive parts, even as the industry changes gear.